Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Fumilayo Fatuberu. On this channel, I'm going to be talking about everything that has to do with travel. So this channel is something that I should have started a long time ago. I actually started this channel a while back, but I think I wasn't channeling my energy in the right direction. So over the last few months, I found that a lot of people have been struggling with visas. So as a Nigerian with a Nigerian passport, I'm sure a lot of us at one point or the other, we have had one order or the other to cross facing visas, from looking to travel for leisure to seeking greener pastures for educational purposes, um, conferences, medical. We've all had a reason or the other to face this visa hassle. But and if you have not had that reason, I'm sure you're aspiring to go abroad, and it's always a headache when you think about the embassies, when you think about visas, when you think about all the application you need to fill out. It seems like a lot. So this channel is going to make all of this easy and seamless for you. This channel is called Travel Talk with Fumi. So I'm going to be doing everything that has to do with travel, from talking about travel tips to travel tricks to itineraries to how you can obtain visas, what to expect when you travel, when you get to the embassies, how to go about filling your application form, getting your appointment dates, your cover letter of introduction, or whatnot. This is like a guide to put you through all of those visa hassles. But it's not going to be about visas alone. It's going to be about travel, basically. I'm on radio between the hours of 4 and 5 every Tuesdays, and I'm on Honor 103.5 FM, and I talk about travel. The program is also called Travel Talk with Fumi. So I'm like, okay, why not bring it on YouTube and spread it more so that a lot of people gain from this. So if you feel like this is something that you're going to learn from, I'm going to be dropping a video every week. So I'm going to be back next week. This is just like an introductory video trying to introduce the channel to you. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe so that you can be notified every time I release a new video. And of course, the share button, share to your friends or families or anybody you know that might be interested in traveling, that's had one visa issue or the other, that is aspiring to travel, so that it can learn one or two things from here. And then I will urge you that every time you try to watch my video, make sure you have a pen and paper, because I always say that you always learn something from me and you would need to jot this down. I think that will be all from me, basically. But before I end this video today, I would just like to put a disclaimer out there. I'm not affiliated to any embassy whatsoever or any consulate. I'm not a visa issuing officer, and I'm not a travel professional or immigration expert. I'm just a travel enthusiast that's been to 18 countries, and any information that I'm giving you here is what I've gathered over my years of travel experience. It's just for me and for you to take with a pinch of salt. That will be all from me today. Make sure you look out for my videos next time. Like I said, make sure you subscribe and turn off the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop a new video, which will be weekly. I believe that we are going to have an awesome time here, and a lot of people are going to have testimonies and a lot of positive responses after following my channel and doing what I'm asking you to do when you're applying for your visas. Till next time, take care of yourself. Bye bye.